In this video, I'll explain the differences in aesthetic approaches between Asian and Caucasian patients, specifically when it comes to beautification rather than restoration. These distinctions are important to recognize when planning treatments, as each ethnicity has unique structural features and aesthetic ideals. Beautification refers to enhancing and exaggerating natural beauty features. It is not about replacing volume lost due to aging, but about refining and balancing key facial features for aesthetic appeal. The emphasis in facial aesthetics varies significantly between Asian and Caucasian patients. In Asian facial aesthetics, the common focus areas for injection include the nose, enhancing the height and definition, the anterior cheeks to project the mid-face forward. For the chin, it is to elongate and refine the lower face profile. The lateral brow, a frequently overlooked point that adds structure and openness to the upper face. In Caucasian facial aesthetics, the focus shifts to lips, enhancing the volume and definition, and the lateral cheeks, creating lift and contouring in the mid-face. Please like, subscribe, and comment.